In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to set data limits in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, let's get started. Now firstly, we need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option and locate with the option called Network and Internet. So here at the network and internet, you need to locate with Wi-Fi, click on it, and once you have bring up the Wi-Fi settings, proceed to the specific properties of the Wi-Fi that you are connecting to as of the moment or that you have been connecting in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So from here, you need to scroll down and there you can see metered connection. So all you need to do is you need to proceed to the switch option and turn it on. Once you have turned it on, proceed to the next option, which is set a data limit to help with data usage on this network. Click on it, and eventually you would be able to see this one. All you need to do is you need to navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see there enter a limit where you can enter or set a data limit. So from here, click on this down arrow key and you can choose the type of limit that you can go with, either monthly, weekly, or daily, or one time or unlimited. So if you would like to go with weekly, you can go with it. Okay, and you can select the day that you can reset reset it. So it could be every Sunday, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. In my case, I'll be setting for Monday. Okay, so here you need to go with the data limit. Okay, just set the data limit. In my case, I'll be, for example, setting 10 and under the unit, click on this down arrow key and select for 10 gigabyte. So click on saved. And eventually, in that way, you have just successfully set a data limit. So as far as the usage, you can see there are 5 days until reset. So my data usage would be resetted on the Monday of May 12, 2025. And there you can see the data usage has been 21% as of the moment. Okay. So by that, you can now close the window and there you have that. You have just successfully set a data limit and this would help you to control the data usage here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.